Hi friends, welcome. Today we will discuss about what is simple factory design pattern. To understand it better, first we will discuss one application. Suppose you want to build an application to send notifications or to send messages. For this, usually we will write code like this. You have already one like email notification class and also SMS notification class and also WhatsApp notification class. Just whatever the type you want, you will check. If you want to send the message as email, you will check the type equals to email, then you will create a new object of email notification. In the same way, if you want to send it as SMS, you will create SMS notification. In this way, we'll create each and every object whatever you want. But here there are some issues with it. Here in future, if you want to send as a fax, then you will create, else if the type equals to fax, you will create a new fax notification object. In this way, if you suppose you have a in future the clients wants like they added 100 different notifications types, then you need to add 100 different types of else if statements and new statements. It will become very messy and very hard to read also. And also one more issue is every time a new type it comes, you must edit the existing code. Suppose this one you suppose you created a new user and you want to send it him an email. The user is created. In that page, you need to create all the this code. And suppose user updated something. There also you want to send in a different pattern like SMS notification. Then you need to type everything in all the pages. Suppose you are doing the same thing 100 pages, you need to paste the complete code in 100 pages. Suppose you have one new just like facts, you need to change in all the 100 pages. It is very difficult and it is very difficult to maintain the code also. There are so many like in future we will get so many errors. This is also one of the issue. And also as the business logic knows too much about the object creation. As the business developer, now I am a developer, suppose you are a developer, you no need to create using a new keyword in your logic. Just you need object, you don't need to create a new based on your type. Just you want an object. Using simple factory, we can resolve all of these issues. With the simple factory, the creation moves to one central place. As you have observed, this is in every page. If you want a new object, you need to copy paste in everywhere. But with the simple factory, this logic will move to central. Only in single central place, we will write in only one place. In this way, the end user just whatever the developer, he can only create objects directly. No need to create new object like that. Just he will sense the what object, what type of objects he want, it will generate. The name, the factory means suppose any car factory will give you the product of car. In this way, the name comes factory, simple factory. This here, the factory will generate, gives our object, whatever the developer or end user asks. Suppose he wants email notification object, just we will ask this factory will gives whatever the type. If you ask email, it will just gives you email notification object. If you want SMS, just you will ask for SMS object, then it will gives the SMS notification and it will be at a central location, not in every page. In this way, simple factory will solve some of the normal if direct coding. Now we will see how to write simple factory. To write simple factory, first we will create interface. Here to save your code, I already have the code to save your time. First we have here we need to create interface. Whatever the suppose I want to send email notification, for that we need to have a definition and we need to have an interface. First I created I notification. This is the interface and what is the purpose? We need to send message just to have the definition. And the second step is implementation. These are the concrete classes. Now I created one folder here, concrete classes. Whatever the different ways you mean email notification or SMS notification, WhatsApp notification, just we will create the concrete class. Here if you take the example email notification, this is the email notification and I inherited from I notification and just I implemented my logic here based on the email notification. just here console.write client sent as email. Whatever the logic you want to send an email, we can write here. For the SMS notification, same. We inherited it from the iNotification interface, and specific to SMS notification, I wrote the code console.write line sent as SMS. Suppose in future you want WhatsApp notification, just you will create WhatsApp notification and we will inherit from iNotification, and specific to WhatsApp notification, we will write the code. This is the second step. And third step is factory. This is the actual factory. It will like creates the object. This is the central location and it will provide. So like car factory will give car product, and bike factory will give the final product is bike. In this way, this factory will gives whatever the product. Here in our case, this is the notification factory. That's why we created this factory folder, and this is the notification factory. This notification factory, the main purpose is it will just the developer wants, he asks, I want email, just I want email object, email product, then it generates the email. For this, just I created one static I notification and create. You can use this the same code in everywhere. If you want simple factory, just you can use the same style. First we'll create the notification factory class, and here we'll create public static I notification create, and what type of product you want. In our case, suppose if the user sends email, then this is the simple switch statement. If the email, just I will return email notification. If it is SMS, this notification factory will returns SMS notification. In future, if you have any other thing, you can just have WhatsApp. You will return WhatsApp. And the fourth step is how to use it. Now we have the central location to provide the what based on your type. Now how to use it? For this, just in the program.cs, we want I notification because everything, whatever the email notification, some notification, everything is inherited from I notification. I am creating the object of I notification, and this is the factory. I notification factory, and we are using this create. If you have this notification factory, just I'm using this create method, and in this create method, just I will provide I want the object, the product of email, then it gives the email product. Just I am using this notification that send message hello factory pattern. Just I will run it, and if you observe, this is sent as email. In this way, the simple factory, this factory notification factory sends based on the email. If it is email, it sends the email. And also suppose I will change to SMS. Just I will copy this, and in the program.cs, uh, suppose this is SMS. Just I saved it, and now I'm running it. Now this is SMS because the we are asking the as a developer, I am asking I want the product of SMS. This notification factory sends me the SMS object. In this way, this is everything is central. But still, there are some issues with the simple factory. It violates the open close principle. Every time a new type is added, as we did it in if else, or as we did it in else statement, here switch statement, or we can use the if else also. Here, suppose you want some push notification, again you need to change the existing code. In this way, this is the code like solid principles. Everything should be open for we can extend it, but we do not modify the existing code, but we are modifying it. That's why it is violates the open close principle. And also, factory becomes too powerful. This means, suppose in future you are adding email, SMS, WhatsApp, and also some push notification, and also some fax. In this way, it's everything you are adding here. Then it becomes like a god class. Means it becomes everything in our application. Suppose we have 100 pages, everything depends on this class. And if something happens to something wrong in this class, it will affect the complete application. And also hard to extend in large systems. as a simple factory, it is mainly if it is very small application, then we can use the simple factory. But if the large application, as discussed earlier, if as we have so many, suppose we have 100 different ways of sending messages or notifications, then if small mistake in this mail class, in this class, it will affect the complete application, and it will breaks the complete application. And also this is tight coupling. Still it is tight even though client code is cleaner, factory still notes all the concrete classes. Still, if you observe here, everything, we are directly using the concrete classes here. This is also not the good approach. We can solve these issues, whatever in the simple factory, we can solve using by factory method design pattern. We will discuss what is the factory design method design pattern and how it will solve all the things in our next video. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.